Occasionally, you may need to adjust the headset. This is true especially if a clearance develops between the fork and the frame. The scooter will start to wobble, which can look like this. Servicing the headset is simple. First, remove the top cap from the headset bolt. Loosen both pinch bolts by which the stem is attached to the neck of the fork. Tighten the headset's cap bolt. The bolt needs to be tight enough so that the clearance in the headset disappears, but loose enough for you to use the handlebars without encountering resistance. Using the handlebars must be smooth and free of drag. Once you find the right degree of headset screw tightness, you're in luck. Then you only need to tightly screw in the pinch bolt that secures the stem and reattach the screw cap. As you can see, adjusting the headset is really easy. You only need a hex key and your scooter will be ready in no time.